Hello guys. This is Mahdiye. I'm a web developer. I decided to prepare complete and free web design training courses and provide them to my friends. I start with HTML and then CSS, JavaScript, React, and blah blah blah. A complete courses for those interested in learning front-end from zero to advanced. I hope you will support me in this way with likes and subscribing. First, I want to introduce HTML course. The difference between this course and other courses is that I value your time and I have prepared a complete course according to the heading of the W3 School websites. W3 School website is a good reference for training website design. Let me show this site. I Google it. You can get to know different languages by checking this website. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, Java, and other languages. Also, you can find the tags and syntax by searching on this site. For example, I Google the HTML. It shows the P tags with its syntax and usage and which browsers support it. For example, Chrome, yes, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera. Now let's go back to the slides. This course is a project-oriented, so that you understand the use of tags correctly, and after fully mastering HTML and CSS, you will be able to design them by looking at the different websites. Now the good question is, what is HTML and CSS? HTML and CSS are the basis of all websites in the world. Of course, other languages such as JavaScript and Python, PHP are also used, but all websites are created with HTML and CSS. In order to create a website, we must know HTML and CSS. Let's check the difference between CSS and HTML. HTML is like a structural layer, like the skeleton of the body. HTML creates the website template without any color or graphics. CSS forms the appearance of the body and it's a presentation layer. CSS gives shape, color, beauty to this body. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. CSS is the language we use to style an HTML document. For a better understanding the matter, consider a car. The skeleton of the car is the HTML, which is the framework of the website, without any beauty or appearance. With HTML, we can create our website. We give it color, appearance, and beauty with CSS rules. CSS is the languages we use to style an HTML elements. So what happened? We create the skeleton of website by using HTML and make it beautiful with CSS. We control the distance between different elements, determine the color of the bottom, and turn the formless template into a beautiful website with attractive graphics. Let's watch the templates together so that this topic fits better. Okay, This website that we see is just a template created by HTML and CSS. No other languages is used in this format, and it's created only by HTML and CSS. First, let's see the codes of the template. What are the codes of this template with this graphic appearance? There are the HTML codes, and it's about the 310 lines. And these are the CSS codes, which you don't definitely understand now, and I will explain to you when we go further. And don't worry, they are so easy. HTML and CSS codes will eventually become this beautiful template that you see here. Now I will remove the CSS codes of this template to see how its appearance changes. I will temporarily delete the CSS codes of this site with the Google Chrome Inspector tool, which you will get to know later. See what the beautiful appearance has become. It's completely lost its form and turned into a series of photos and writing without any attractive or beautiful appearance. So we define the shape, color, and position of HTML elements on the website page with CSS. When I refresh the page, you will see the beautiful page with CSS rules. Now let's go to check the other template which is created by HTML and CSS. This site is also formed by CSS rules. If I remove the CSS rules, HTML template will remain, which includes photos and text and forms without any special form or color or shape. Again, I refresh the page. You will see the beautiful page with CSS rules. Okay, guys, I don't want the video to be longer than this time. I will continue of this topic in the next video. If you don't understand a part of the HTML and CSS introduction video, you can ask your questions in the comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.